The National Police Service is working closely with the Pensions Department, Police Sacco, Harambee Sacco, Magereza Sacco, and the National Treasury to support the bereaved families by fast-tracking the processing of their dues and benefits. To improve on the welfare and the working conditions of the officers, there is need to develop a policy on the welfare of the officers. Already, we have begun the process of establishing an endowment fund and drafting the Veterans Bill.
As we speak today, we are in an advanced stage of working on the Veterans Bill, and we have no doubt by the beginning of next year it will see the light of the day when we take it into Parliament, so that the families of these gallant officers live in dignity, and also we have a much more predictable way of looking after our officers. I've also listened to what the representatives of the families have spoken to, the need for us to have a way of engaging and counseling them, amongst other support that we need to give to them.
This platform provides us with an opportunity to reflect on their remarkable legacy and to reaffirm our unwavering commitment to the values they dearly upheld. Their dedication inspires us to continue serving our country with integrity, resilience, and deep sense of duty to improve the security of our people. It also challenges us to support the families of the officers who are breadwinners of their families and departed at a young age.